Hello from Jordan Franton Commercials. This is a 2015 65 Reg Mercedes Sprinter 2.1 313 rear-wheel drive van. So this is a workshop with a generator compressor installed. So this is a Winton compressor. Full service history, direct from the lease company, with a warranted 115,000 miles. As you can see, it's got front and rear beacons, wind driven air vents, obviously tow bar with built-in step. We've got a couple of these in stock, same age, very similar mileage. I will just show you the inside. So as well as the Winton PTO, you've also got 110 volt onboard power, TiVo metal racking throughout, LED strip lights. You've got a night heater down here too. I'll show you from the side. Lovely setup from the side door also. And as we go into the cab, 3 full-size seats. So there's your controls for the LED internal lights. You've got one in here as well as the back. There's your night heater control. That's all your Winton instructions. Aircon, cruise control. Any other questions at all, please give me a shout.